What?
What?
What the hell is this?
Harumph. I didn't get a harumph out of that guy.
Give the governor harumph.
Harumph!
You watch your ass.
I see you shiver with anticipation.
Let the show begin.
Hey everybody, this is David Heretic coming at you with another edition of Reactions, Reviews, and Rants. And tonight... Okay, making his debut on the channel tonight, we have Xavier Rudd. Yes, indeed. How about that? Xavier Rudd making his debut on the channel. Before we go any further, for those of you who are feeling inclined to do all the clicks and the likes and the bibbidi-boobidi bop, do me a favor, before you do all that stuff, please watch the whole video first, okay? Give me a chance to actually earn those clicks and likes. Now, after the video's done, if you still feel like doing all those clicks and likes, then by all means, feel free to click away. This comes as a request from Dajo Australia, and Dajo wanted to see me react to this song by Xavier Rudd called Spirit Bird.
It's all a bunch of tree-hugging hippie crap.
Now, have I heard the song before? No, I have not. To the best of my knowledge, this does not resonate with me in any way, shape, or form. However, there's always a possibility I may have heard the song in passing and I just don't realize it. So as always, if I start listening to the song and I suddenly go, wait a second, I recognize this song, I'll let you know.
That's the truth.
You know me, I'm going to be honest with you guys. This was posted by 101.9 Kink FM, okay? And the video has 4.6 million views. It'll get you there. Other than that, there's really nothing else left to say. Link to the original video will be down below in the video description for your viewing pleasure at your leisure. Let's get started. What do you say? Are you ready? Are you ready? Because here we go. All right, here we go. Xavier Rudd, Spirit Bird, Bing Lounge. Cool. All right, let's do this.
All right, boy, let's do this.
Brother.
Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before. Culture fades with tears and grace, leaving us stunned, hollow with shame. We have seen this all before. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by his side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. Many tribes of a modern kind, doing brand new work, same spirit by his side, joining hearts and hands in ancestral twine, ancestral twine. And slowly it fades, and slowly we fade, and slowly it fades, and slowly it fades. Emana yo 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 yo, 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 emana yo 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 yo. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she has seen this all before, she has seen this all before, she has. Spirit bird, she creaks and groans, she knows she has seen this all before, she has seen this all before, she has. And slowly it fades, and slowly it fades.
Okay, look.
Get that hippie out of the ring!
It's pretty, all right? I will absolutely give credit where credit's due. It is pretty. And I can see how a lot of people can listen to this style of song and listen to this style of music, and they can really appreciate it, and they can love it, and they fall into it, and they connect with the song. I am not one of those people.
That's the truth.
Personally, just bringing personal feelings into account here, just for a second, I am bored out of my mind. Oh my God. And we got another 4 minute, almost over 4.5 minutes of this to go. Oh my God. Anyway, look, the guy sings well. He does. He's got a nice voice. Okay, I will absolutely give him that. He's got great technique with his guitar playing. I will absolutely give him that. The song as a whole is well constructed. I will absolutely give it that. But I am bored. Oh my God. I just want this to be over. I really do. I thought it was wrapping up. No. 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 We're not even halfway through yet. Oh my God. This is an almost 9-minute long song. Man, let's keep going.
And slowly we fade, and slowly it fades. Wrong, and you feel you're being chained and broken and burned. And those beautiful old people, those wise old souls are being ground down for far too long by that spineless man, that greedy man, that heartless man, deceiving man, that government hand, taking blood and land, taking blood and land, and still they can. But you're dreaming, and your warrior spirit lives on, and it is so, so, so strong in the earth, in the trees, in the rocks, in the water, in your blood, and in the air we breathe. Soldier on, my good countryman. Keep fighting for your children now. Keep fighting for your land. Slowly fades, slowly fades, slowly fades, slowly fades.
Oh, God, I thought we were wrapping up. Another 2 minutes. God dang it. More of the same. It's more of the same. Look, his technique is fine. His guitar playing is fine. His vocals are, I will give him all the credit in the world, okay? His vocals are strong. His vocals are very powerful. They're very strong. He's projecting well. He's supporting well. His diction, at times it's really strong, but also at times it sounds like he's mumbling, and it's like, come on, man, go one way or the other, okay? Don't keep weaving in and out of traffic. You know, pick an off ramp. His left foot stomping on the box to emulate a kick drum. I think that's really clever. That's nice. I've seen other artists do that before. It's not the first time I've seen it. Everything sounds fine. And like I said, I know there are people that love this kind of stuff. There are people out there who love this kind of music. I am not one of those people. I'm just not. I can look at it objectively. I can see the talent. I can see everything that he's doing well. And I've talked about them, but that doesn't mean I like it. I definitely do not like it. I would say this is borderline painful. 2 more minutes. Man. Let's get this over with.
Mana yo 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 yo, hey mana yo 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 yo, hey mana yo 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 yo, hey mana yo 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 yo. Give it time and we wonder why. Do what we can, laugh and we cry, and we sleep in your dust because we've seen this all before.
Hold you. King live in the Big Lounge, Xavier Rudd. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. All right. I've already said pretty much everything I need to say about this. I already have, so this is more than likely going to be a pretty quick review. Let me get my thoughts together. I'll see you in the review, and we'll talk about it. Well, there you go, folks. That was Xavier Rudd with Spirit Bird. This was a request from Dajo, Australia. Man. I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this. I know I am, but I'm sorry. I'm going to be honest, and I'm going to say what's on my mind. I'm going to say what I think. I'm going to say what I believe, and that's really all there is to it. I will, of course, look at the song objectively. I will, and I'll base my score off of what I heard from an objective standpoint. But I just gotta say, I mean, personally, just personal feelings, how I feel about this, man. I'll go into that too later. Let's start with the score. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give that a 6.8. Yep, 6.8. I feel good about that score. Let me tell you why.
Why?
Okay, look. Putting personal feelings aside, looking at the song objectively, it's not a bad song. It's not. It's actually, it is a pretty good song. There's a lot happening there vocally, and I'm going to talk about that. Probably the strongest part of that entire performance was his vocals. The guitar playing, let's be honest here, nothing special, okay? I have seen so many other guitar players. I have played with so many other guitar players who can play that finger styling of guitar. You know, it's okay. I mean, it sounded really good. What he did was it was really good. You know what he did, but would I ever in a million years say it was impressive? No. Never in a million years. I mean, I've seen other players do it. I've played with guitar players who can do it. And to be perfectly honest with you, I've seen and played with other guitar players who can do it better. So I'm not going to sit here and, you know, sing this guy's praises. Oh, he's the most amazing guitar player I've ever seen in my life. No, he's not. He's not. I'm sorry. I've seen far more impressive guitar players. But he did a pretty good job. It sounded good. I liked it. It worked well. His style of playing was clean. It was accurate. It was tasteful. I'll give him all the credit he's due. Okay. The idea of using the left foot on the stomp box there to emulate a kick drum, I thought that was cool. I mean, I've again, nothing I haven't seen before, but it was cool to see that being done. He was, you know, using all parts of his body. It looks like he has his right foot on another box to, I don't know, maybe emulate a snare or a tambourine or something. I don't know, but I'm sure something is inside that box. Every time he stomps on it, it makes a certain sound. So that's cool. Okay, he's innovative. I'll give him that. Vocally, probably the strongest part of the entire performance. He got up there in his range. It sounded really good. His projection and his power at times sounded really good. But there were also times where he was, for lack of a better word, mumbling. And I know a lot of people are going to be like, well, that's the style. That's what he's supposed to do. Okay, great. I'm glad that's what he's supposed to do. He's supposed to intentionally make himself sound like he's got a bunch of marbles in his mouth. Great. Okay. So glad that we have that. That makes a world of difference for me. Yeah.
Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. His range was good. Like I said, at times his power was good. At times his diction was good. His power at times was also impressive. I will say, dynamically, from a volume control standpoint, from his dynamics, I will say that was actually really well done. When he needed to be soft, he got soft. He really did get soft. When he needed to be loud, he got loud, and he really did get loud. He had a great range in dynamics, anywhere from piano all the way up to forte. I wouldn't say fortissimo, and I also wouldn't say pianissimo. But, I mean, he still worked with a great range of dynamics. So I'll absolutely give credit where credit's due. And that's really all there is to talk about, in all honesty, guys. This was a very simple performance. Very simple. Nothing complex, nothing impressive, but it did sound pretty good. And I will absolutely give it that. And like I said, I know personally, I just almost a 9-minute long song just for starters. That I think that's what really irks me more than anything else is he took this song and elongated it out to almost 9 minutes long, when in all honesty, he probably could have wrapped this up in 4.5 to 5 minutes. I just don't understand the need to elongate it out to 9 minutes long. I just don't get it. But in any case, I may not personally like it. I'll be honest with you guys. I was not a fan of this at all. At all.
What's the matter with you?
But staying objective, looking at the song objectively, still giving it a pretty good score of 6.8.
I'm meeting you halfway, you stupid hippies.
So I feel good with that score, and that's where we're going to stay. 6.8, final score, I have spoken. Well, that's going to do it for this edition of Reactions, Reviews, and Rants. Hope you all enjoyed the show. Hope I was able to entertain you. If I was able to put a smile on your face and brighten your day, then I did my job, and I'm so glad I could do it. If you guys feel like joining the fan base, go ahead and click on that button down there. If you guys want to like the video, go ahead and like the video. If you guys want to ring the bell, go ahead and ring the bell. It honestly doesn't make any difference at all to me, but if you guys feel like doing these things, then by all means, feel free to do so. Well, that's going to do it for tonight, folks. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, this is David Heretic signing off, reminding you to stay fabulous and support each other. Later. Peace.